Another day, another comment asking for a trailing stop loss tutorial. So let's show you one for selling naked puts inside Interactive Brokers. We've got 3 of them here lined up for the taking. Some of them, actually all of them, have a pretty good amount of profit. We've got 20 days, and this baby at the bottom is expiring today. So that's going to be a pure profit play. But let's look at this one at the 440 level right here. This SPY 440 put for December 15th. So to set up our trailing stop order, what we need to do is right click here and go close, or at least make sure that we're buying back to close in this scenario, because when we're selling puts, we're -1 for position because we sold it, and we want to make sure we buy back to close, which is blue for buy inside Interactive Brokers, or whichever trading platform you like to use. Our order type needs to change down to trail. And now here's where things get interesting. We currently have about $70 of profit, meaning that the contract value has gone from $1.70, the average price you see there, down to the last price of $1.02. So roughly $70 of profit as shown in our unrealized P&L column in Interactive Brokers. To set the stop loss now, we want to do this. I want to make sure I lock in at least $50 of profit for this trade. Currently showing 70, so I'm okay giving back about $20 or 0.2 in terms of profit. So what I'm going to do here is go stop area, and I can say we're currently at $1. I want to give back roughly $20 max. I'm actually going to go 1.15 right here, meaning that if the contract value, this put contract, went from $1 back up to $1.15, I would close my position and lock in some profit. Not the full 70 bucks. It'd be roughly about 55 at that point. And now I'm going to set my trail to be 5 cents, or another 5 cents for the contract rate, like that. So if it goes at 1.15 and it hits that value, my trailing amount of 0.05 is going to be in play. Meaning, if the total contract value goes from $1, where it's currently at right now, up to 1.15, and for this to happen, I would have to have the SPY's price drop in order for this to happen. But if it hits 1.15, the contract value, I'm going to have a 5 cent trailing stop limit where I'm going to get cashed out. So 1.15 plus 5 cents, we're at $1.20, meaning if you look at what we sold this for, $1.70, we set our stop area for a combined $1.20. We're going to get back a roughly $50 of profit when this trailing stop loss is executed. If it's never executed, awesome. We can just leave it alone. We can go day in here or go good till cancel to keep it on indefinitely until the position expires in about 20 trading days. And we can just go from there and know that we have a stop loss set to protect and lock in our profit in the event of a market pullback. Click submit to put that order in the hopper. I turn that window off, transmit, and boom, our trailing stop order is in and in play. And I like taking profit when I'm selling puts around the 80% mark, just because it lets me rotate my capital a little bit faster. You can see we've got 40, 40, 98, just because of the different expiration dates in here. But using a trailing stop loss like this is a great way to lock in and make sure you have some profit once the trade goes in your favor. And I mean, you can monitor this 20-day expiration if you want to, but if you just put this trade on and you knowing that you're going to be locking in roughly $50 of profit for this trade, you can go on about your business and not worry too much about this position. Trusting that you guys got some value out of this one here today. Leave a like on this video. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching so much, and I will see you on the next training video.